Welcome to the video lecture series of data structures. Today we are going to learn about that how can we convert our with parenthesized INFIX expression into postfix expression by using tabulation method or a stack method. Hi, this is your instructor Janice Shah. So let's begin with the first to understand that how can we do this process. Student, the condition to convert our infix expression to postfix by using the tabulation method is here. See, in without parenthesized method, we have the condition is that if f of next is less than or equal to f of s of top, then you should do a pop operation. But here, this is not a place where you have only one parenthesized function. Here we have different parentheses for the different columns. Like if your symbol, if your character, or we can say if your element, it is inside the character scan column, then its precedence is different. And if the character or symbol is inside the stack column, then the precedence is different. So that's why we have two different functions. One represents f, another represents g. F for the precedence inside stack. Sorry, repeat. F for the precedence in character scan column, and g shows the precedence inside the stack column. So here the condition is if f of next is less than g of s of top, then just you need to pop operation. Else what you need to do is you just need to apply the push over there. Here f of x represents the precedence of the x outside the stack. G of s of top represents the precedence of element inside the stack. Next is the next element for the conversion, and s of top is the topmost element of the stack. Now the rules are a little bit different rather than that. In the without parenthesized method, we used to first initialize our stack with hash, and our string is appended by hash. But here we are going to use the precedence like opening bracket and the closing bracket. So at that time, here we have the rules like this. The first number rule is that start with the opening bracket in stack. Fine. Next one is ends your string with append a closing one into an infix expression. Third one is that if your top element precedence is greater than the next element precedence, then you just need to make a pop operation, else do push operation. Another one is that if your opening bracket and closing bracket comes together, if your opening bracket and closing bracket comes together, then you just need to make a popped out operation, as well as whenever you find the closing bracket in your next character column. See, whenever you find the closing bracket in your character scan column, then you need to pop out each and every element from your stack until and unless you will get one opening bracket. So what is this? Let me explain this with the example. Students, the rules are very much common, same as the previous one. The thing change over there, that here the plus minus division star comes together, then you just need to perform the pop operation. Why the rules are same, sir? Just because only the condition is changed, but as well as the precedence are also changed. The inside the stack and outside the stack the precedence. Check out the precedence table. If you have, see the precedence of plus outside the stack is 1, inside the stack is 2. Precedence of division star outside the stack is 3, inside the stack is 4. So what is our rule? If you have f of next is less than g of s of top, then you need to pop, else just push. So obviously here nothing gonna change over there. Whenever you found the plus and minus together, then you just need to pop from the stack. Okay. And what about the exponential operator? Whenever you found the exponential operator comes together, you need to make a push operation over there. Okay. So in the next we have the ABCD. Okay. So whenever you find the ABCD, you just need to push inside the stack. Next, when the opening bracket comes, don't think much, because here the opening bracket has highest precedence. Okay. When the opening bracket comes, you just need to push inside the stack. When the closing bracket comes, then remove all the elements from the stack until and unless you will get one opening bracket over there. So students, let's understand the infix to postfix with the example. Here we have our first example is that A plus opening bracket B plus C closing 1 division D. Here, so what is our first step? First, you just need to append the closing bracket with your infix string. So I have appended, it is highlighted with the red color, that A plus opening bracket B minus C closing 1 division D and again the closing 1. Now, what is our step to start the solving of this equation? That the first start with the initialization of stack with opening bracket. So here the opening bracket push inside the stack. So here it is. Now take A with us. So here it is A in a character scan column. Now just compare the A with the opening one. Okay. So what happens when you compare the A with opening one? See, push A inside the stack. Sir, you told me that opening bracket is the highest precedence. Yes, you are correct. But opening bracket is highest precedence in outside the stack. When opening bracket goes inside the stack, its precedence becomes 0. Check your precedence tables. If you do not know where to check the precedence table, just check out my previous video, which is all about the direct method of infix to postfix and infix to prefix conversion. I have explained whole precedence table over there, especially for with parenthesized expression. Fine. So here it is, the A and the opening bracket with us, students. So just compare both of them. Obviously, A has higher precedence. Just push inside the stack. It becomes opening bracket and A. Next, we have plus with us. So what to do? Just compare precedence of plus with A. A has higher precedence. So pop A and append with reverse polish. So here it is A. Rank will become 1 and then push plus inside the stack. Next, students, we have the opening one. So again, opening bracket. See, the opening bracket in the outside the stack has precedence 9. So whenever you find the opening bracket, don't think much, just push inside the stack. I'm going to push it inside the stack. So it becomes opening bracket plus opening bracket. My reverse polish string and rank remains as it is. Now, next we have with us B. Okay, so B is again character. Just push inside the stack. So it goes like this: opening bracket plus opening bracket, and then B remains reverse polish and rank as it is. Next, students, we found the minus with us. So just compare the minus with B. So B has higher precedence than minus. So it will be popped out from the stack, appended with the reverse polish. It becomes A and B, and rank becomes 2. But what about the opening one? See, opening bracket has inside the stack the precedence 0. So obviously minus has the higher precedence than opening bracket inside the stack. So you just need to push minus over there. The whole thing becomes opening plus opening minus. Then we have reverse polish AB, rank becomes 2. What is our next data? Next data is C with us. So C is a character, push inside the stack, and the reverse polish and rank remains as it is. Next, students, we have the closing one. See, the closing bracket of this column and the opening bracket both get cancelled out. Why? Because this is the situation that works in the algorithm. Okay, what you need to do whenever you get the closing bracket in next character column or character scan column, you just need to pop down each and every element until and unless you will get the first opening one. So if you can see, look at over here in this string. In the string, we just need to first pop C, then minus, both get popped out, combined with AB, it becomes ABC minus, and that closing one, this opening one, both get cancelled out. So it becomes only one opening and plus. So what about the opening? See, opening and closing both get cancelled out because both has the same parenthesis. Sorry, repeat, both has the same precedence. Okay. So now the next we have the ABC minus, in the rank we have 2 again. Now last we have division. So what to do with the division? Division has higher precedence than plus, so push division inside the stack. Next we have D with us. So last terminology is D. D has higher precedence than push D again inside the stack. Remains reverse polish and rank as it is. Students, last we get the our appended closing bracket. As we are starting with the initializing the stack with opening 1, we are completing it with closing 1. That's why we have appended one extra closing bracket over there. So what happening over there? See, all the things you need to pop out from the stack. What do you have? You have D, then division, then plus. So the whole string becomes A, B, C minus, then D, division, plus, and the rank becomes 1. Do not forget to calculate the rank at every step of the expression evaluation. Now, this is your final answer. It's in postfix expression. Okay, so let's understand more in detail with the second example. Here we have A plus opening bracket B division close opening bracket C minus D plus E closing one $F closing one caret G. Okay, and then our appended closing bracket. So it's a very long example, but let's start together. So here we have character scan, stack, reverse polish, and rank. 4 columns are there. The first we need to do is a opening bracket in the stack. Then students, we need to start with A. So first character is A. Students, what I'm going to do is, I already told you, I'm just going to write down each and every element in my first column so I do not forget it later on. So here it is, like A plus opening B division opening C minus D then plus then E. Okay. Rest of the term I'll show you in the next slide. So what happens over here? First we need to compare the A with the opening bracket. Obviously A has higher precedence, so we need to push A inside the stack. Remains reverse polish and rank as it is. Next, when we talk about the star, so star and A, compare both of them. A has again higher precedence, A will be popped up from the stack, go into the reverse polish and rank will be calculated. And star push inside the stack. So here it is, A and 1. Students, next we have opening bracket. So what to do with the opening bracket? Whenever you find the opening bracket in character scan column, just push inside the stack. It becomes opening star opening. So here it is, reverse polish and rank remains as it is. Next we have the B with us. So it becomes opening star opening B. Okay, reverse polish and rank remains as it is. Next we have division with us. So just compare division with B. Compare division with B. B will be popped out. Now compare division with star. Compare division with star. Division and star both contain the same precedence? No. Okay, both precedence are different, but obviously star has higher precedence. If you remember the table like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the star contains 3 and 4. 3 in the character scale column, 4 in the stack column. In an exam, you are not able to remember the whole table. So what to do? Just think normally. If you found division start together, start making popped up. Okay, that's it. So what happens over here? Here star is also getting popped out. Okay, but wait. Star is after the opening bracket. Star is after the opening bracket. So after popped B, you have opening 1. You have opening 1. So whatever I said previous, it's all wrong. What you need to do that? You just need to stop over here. See, the opening bracket precedence is 0. So you just need to push division again. So it becomes opening star opening division. B will be popped out. Combined with A, it becomes AB. Rank will be 2. Now next, what to do? Opening again, push inside the stack and write your reverse polish and rank. Now we have C, push inside the stack. Reverse polish rank remains as it is. Now we have minus with us. So minus will be popped inside the stack. C will be popped out. Minus will be pushed inside the stack. So C is out. Minus is inside the stack. So it becomes opening star opening division opening minus. Then A, B, C rank is 3. So rank is increasing. It's fine. It should not be less than 1. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, it's fine. But after end of the equation, end of the answer, you must have 1 rank. Fine. Now, next we have D. Push D inside the stack. Okay. A, B, C and rank becomes 3. Next we have plus C. So D has the higher precedence, then plus D will be popped out. Then in plus minus, see now the plus and minus comes together. So minus will also get popped out. Okay. So here we have the opening, star, opening, division, opening plus ABCD minus. ABCD minus, and then becomes ABCD minus. So 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. So here it is again 3. It's a mistake. It's not 2, it's 3. Now next what we have, I'm just repeating my last step. Plus E closing dollar F closing caret G and closing. So what happens over here? This is my rank 3. This is what I be left in the last line. Now next what we have? We have E with us. Push E inside the stack. Now reverse polish rank remains as it is. Next students, with us we have closing bracket. Now wait, see. Once you get the closing bracket, you just need to pop down each and every element from the stack until and unless you will get first opening one. So I'm just putting now closing over here. I'm going to find the opening one. Yes, this is opening one. E plus both will be get popped out, appended with this string. It becomes ABCD minus E plus, and then what we left? Opening star opening division. So here it is, ABCD division, E, the ABCD minus E plus, rank will become 3. Now, next we have the dollar with us, just push dollar inside the stack. Here we have, now F is a character, push inside the stack. So here it is, now again the closing one. If you already get the closing one, so you just have to pop down each and every element. First we get F, then dollar, then division. So the whole string becomes ABCD minus plus ABCD minus E plus dollar F division. Sorry, F dollar and division. Fine. And calculate the rank, it will become 2. Last we have the caret with us, push inside the stack. Okay. Next we have G with us, push inside the stack. Next we have closing. So what to do with the closing one? What to do with the closing one? Just remove all the elements from the stack until unless you will get the one opening bracket. So only one opening bracket is left. So opening and closing both gets cancelled together, and we left the whole answer like A, B, C, D minus E plus F dollar division. Then we have G caret and star. The rank becomes 1. So always remember your rank must be 1. So all points are very much similar than the previous algorithms. Nothing much is changed. Only we have the brackets. So formula with the brackets will be changed. Condition is changed and the precedence table is different. Okay, so whenever they ask you to perform the algorithm in the exam, you just need to draw precedence table, write the algorithms. Okay, that's it, nothing else. So here it is the example all about the INFIX to postfix. Now, how this algorithm works, we'll talk in the next lecture. So that's it for today's lecture, students. Thank you so much.